What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here then hi, hello, I'm Adela, nice to meet you. Okay, if you're not subscribed to my channel then definitely subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber then thank you for being here again. I appreciate you as always. So today, as you saw by the title, we have a Chanel unboxing. Yes, exciting. I will go ahead and unbox this item. As per usual, I will review it on a later date, but for today it is just the unboxing. It's that time again. It's that time again. It's that time again. It's that time again. Ooh. Ooh. It's that time again. So let's unbox. You can see here at the box, everything is kind of the same. It did have a ribbon and all the rest of it, but I've already unboxed this item, so yeah, and I don't really think that you care to watch me taking off the ribbon. I mean, let me know in the comments down below, but here we go. Camellia box, SLG, as you can see. And here's a dust bag. And this is the piece that I got. Ta-da! Let me turn it around. So you guys already know I have the O case in this colour. This is from the 19B collection. I did get this... I don't know, a little bit ago, maybe some months. I haven't used it yet still. So I still have the little protective sticker intact. This is the zip wallet. Such a cute little number. Here is the little zip pull function, and it opens, you know, just like a zip would. And I apparently have some cards in it. So let me take this out. Okay, there we are. Must be better, isn't it? So this is how it opens. It has 3 compartments, one back here, one in the middle, and one on the top. Of course, you can keep cards, notes, coins, you name it. It does also have a little back pocket here as well. I mainly got this because honestly, I just love the 19B colour, and I just think it's stunning, and I feel like if I could own it in all the pieces possible, I would do that. Obviously not, but I didn't own a zippy wallet either, so I ended up buying this one for the 2 reasons, the colour and the style and functionality of this item. I just think it's adorable. I think the colour is a stunning beige. It's one of my favourite releases from Chanel in terms of beige tone colours. It's just stunning, and it reflects a different kind of beige depending on the light. This is my O case, and this is the zippy coin wallet, card holder, whatever situation. As you can see, they resemble like different tones depending on the way that the light hits it, depending on which light hits it. I don't know, I really am enjoying this 19B colour. I really did wish that I had it in a classic flat, but that's fine. I have SLGs in this colour. Call me crazy for having more than one SLG in the same colour, but when you know what you like, it's fine to have it in multiples. I don't know, at least that's what I think. So yes, this one is my newest edition. You guys have seen me unbox this one on the channel before. I don't know what else to say other than I am in love. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you want a video about either one of these, reviewing them, then let me know. I am working on reviewing this one actually because I've used it a few times now. I haven't used this yet, so I haven't got much of a review on it, but as soon as I do, I will let you know. Or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I guess that's going to be it. If you did enjoy this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and if you are, thank you very much. Do you own any 19B in your collection, or the zippy wallet, or the O case? As always, if you haven't quite had enough, then definitely click this video right here, or maybe this one down here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!